What's up, YouTube? So, another interesting day in the crypto world to talk about. So, if you're watching this on the current day, last night crypto kind of took like a 10%, or around a 10% market crash, a little bit, if you can even call it that. And I was talking in my video yesterday about basically not selling on it when it's low like that, assuming you want to like continue to keep a position in crypto. But just like look at Bitcoin right now, it's actually managed to recover about 3% today. So let's see, if you see on the screen, this was kind of the dip last night, going down to 53 and a half, and it's already started to recover from that. It looks a little nicer in this graph. You can see in almost every cryptocurrency coin, ever since about this morning around 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, they all kind of started to recover a little bit. But I think it's going to be really interesting to go into Monday, because I think in this current market, there's a lot more like corporate investors, like banks that are banks and companies that have positions in the crypto world now, including like ETFs and just hedge funds that are invested. So it's gonna be interesting. I was really hoping that this would have recovered more through today, to be honest, because it'll be interesting to watch on Monday if these big companies buy this dip, or if they haven't been watching it the whole weekend and they check the charts on Monday and see this, what could be perceived as like a massive dump at first glance, and then proceed to crash it even more, which is always a possibility going into it. So I'm almost expecting the worst. Prepare for the worst, prepare for the worst, but hope for the best. So pretty much everything today, at least when I'm checking it right now, is in the green. The market cap has gone up in the past 24 hours, surprisingly. Overall volume still at 414 billion, and the dominance has stayed the same between BTC, Ethereum, and BNB. One thing I wanted to talk about, I'll kind of skip over Bitcoin and Ethereum. XRP still did over 11% today, which is good to see. It's really funny when you look at Dogecoin, because they're one of the coins that actually is still doing the best as far as I'm aware, which is just really funny to see with this coin, since it has like that meme factor to it. So it's kind of doing super well despite like fundamental reasons that it should. So if you look at this graph, even in the past week, it kind of looks like it's just going to continue to that, and we might honestly see it pass 40 cents again in the next like 48 hours, which hopefully that'll bring the rest of the market up in the next 48 hours as well. It's kind of the same story with a lot of the coins. As you can see, scrolling down, we have kind of that hook right up at the end. Not too surprising though, after like a dip last night. Like I said, you probably already saw like other videos and articles coming out and saying, this is the big dump, this is it. Crypto's done as a whole. Everyone's shaken out. But I don't really think so. I think there was some like fear, uncertainty, and doubt that was probably spread somewhere that caused a sell off like that. So it'll just be interesting to see how that happens um, and affects like the next week, because I think at that point we'll be able to tell if Bitcoin will continue to rise or just dump massively. And at this point, I think it's going to be like one of the two. So we'll see. If you made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I try to make videos every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.